welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys natural, healthy, non-toxic cleaning products that you can make yourself. So super quick and easy DIYs for a basic kitchen cleaner, a bathroom cleaner, and a glass cleaner. I'm going to show you guys today your own little DIY. Super exciting, super easy. Essential oils are such a fantastic way to change your cleaning routine around and have simple ingredients that actually work. I use essential oils now and I'm blown away by just spraying something and like my stove is miraculously clean. I can't even tell you why, just the properties of essential oils are so incredible. So today I'm talking about Doterra essential oils specifically. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below. That way you guys don't miss any essential oil videos that I do post. But I'm going to share with you guys some of Doterra's awesome cleaning products that they actually supply you with the tools to make your own non-toxic cleaning products. So if you haven't heard of the Doterra On Guard, it's absolutely incredible. This stuff is so amazing for immune health and immune function. So they make this concentrate cleaner which you can use to make your own cleaners. I'm going to show you guys a couple of DIYs in just a couple seconds here, but first I'll show you the On Guard laundry detergent. So the laundry detergent, I've been using this in my home now for quite a few months and I love this stuff. It's not got a crazy strong scent, it's not full of fragrance or perfume, it is more natural, healthy ingredients, it has essential oils in it as well, so it cleans super well and it just smells wonderful. So I definitely recommend, if you guys are trying to find a natural alternative to wash your clothes in, Doterra On Guard is great for that. So I've been using that, that's one thing I absolutely love. So without further ado, we'll dive into the DIYs and I will show you guys what I make for my own DIYs. So the first thing we're going to make is a kitchen cleaner. So I love having a kitchen cleaner spray to spray down my countertops and have them smell fresh and clean when I'm done. You know how your stove gets all dirty and your kitchen counters get all gross and like everything's touching your kitchen counter. So like how often do you guys actually clean it, right? This stuff is so great, it's so simple and so easy to make. So you can see I have a glass bottle here, so you want to make sure that you use a glass spray bottle when you're using pure essential oils. And the reason is because if you put them into like a plastic container, put them in a plastic bottle like this one, they will actually start to deteriorate the inside of the plastic and eat the plastic away because of how pure they are. So I would definitely avoid plastic at all costs. Just go on Amazon, invest in a couple of these bad boys. They're a plastic sprayer, so the sprayers are fine plastic because they don't sit inside of the sprayer, but in the bottle they're actually sitting in the bottle. So just make sure that you invest in a good quality couple glass clean bottles. They're not that expensive on Amazon and it's just better to go glass anyway, get away from plastic and ruining the environment. So this is my kitchen cleaner. So I like to have 5 different essential oils in this, and this is purely, I've been playing with different recipes and this is just my favorite blend. You can literally put any essential oil you want in here. I just love this blend together, it smells like heaven. So I put in lavender, rosemary, eucalyptus, lemon, and On Guard essential oil. So in a bottle this size, I usually do about 2 to 3 drops to start and then I kind of see how I like it. So I add the essential oils in here, but I also like to add, because this is a kitchen cleaner, I like to add Castile soap. So if you guys are familiar with Castile soap, I'm sure you've heard of it. It's a very pure form of soap and it's a really amazing, gentle soap that you can use on children. You can actually wash your hair with it. It's just fair trade. There's no gunk or crap in this stuff, so I just love this stuff. So what I'm going to do, usually put anywhere from about 1 to 2 tablespoons in a bottle this size. I guess it's a 16 fluid ounce, 18 fluid ounce maybe. So I'm going to do just a couple squirts. Because this is a pure soap, it's going to be very sudsy and very foamy. So you don't want to be putting a ton of it in here. Just enough to like clean the counters and have a little soap in here. So I'm just going to do probably about a tablespoon to a tablespoon and a half is what I'm going to put in for now. That kind of coats the bottom. If you guys can see, it kind of coats the bottom of it. Okay, so my soap is in there, and I use soap in this one just because it's a kitchen cleaner. It's not for the bathroom, so I don't use a strong disinfectant, just something to disinfect. And soap is very cleaning and cleansing, of course, but then essential oils are also antibacterial, antiseptics, all of that. So I'm going to add 2 to 3 drops of lavender. Let's do 3. And rosemary is really, really cleansing. It's so good for you to inhale as well, and it makes your kitchen just smell really fresh and really clean. And I just love like that fresh scent. Like rosemary and lemon are like very kitchen-y scents, so I just love to like spice them up. And eucalyptus, for some reason, just smells so good when you kitchen clean. I don't even know, you guys. And then I'm going to do 4 drops of On Guard, because On Guard is just like the cleaner that I showed you. It is a antibacterial. It's really great for your immune system. It fights infection. So it's really great to have in your home. And then I'm also going to add 4 drops of lemon, because lemon smells so good. And we're going to do 1 drop of wild orange, because the oranges just make everything smell fresh. So there you have it, guys. So anywhere from 2 to 4 drops of each of these essential oils I added in here, and then about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of Castile soap. So you can like start with less and then add more if you want to just kind of try out your own blend. Try different essential oils that you have. Most essential oils have antibacterial properties. So essentially when you spray an essential oil, you're actually disinfecting and cleaning with the properties of that oil without even adding anything else to it. So I just like the essential oils and the Castile soap, and then all I'm going to do is top this up with water. Just be very careful and very mindful, because the Castile soap will start to suds. So usually you need to add it. Usually you should add it after. I should have probably added it after, but that's okay. Just go careful if you added it before, like me. And then all you do is shake this up, and then I leave it on my counter with my cloth, and I just shake it up right before I use it, and I spray it. And honestly, you guys, it takes away like every grime stuck on stoveware. Like it's amazing. And if you do like vinegar, I do have some vinegar here. If you do like vinegar, you can definitely add a cap full of vinegar. I personally don't like the smell of vinegar. It's a really like overpowering smell for me. I just really don't like vinegar, so I don't add vinegar, but you can feel free to add vinegar if you want that extra kick of clean. So that's my kitchen cleaner. Alright, then my next cleaner is a homemade glass cleaner. So I definitely recommend putting it into a bigger bottle if you can. I just didn't have any left, so I put it in a little one. But the sprayers on these aren't as great as these ones. But all I did was water in this, a cap full of white vinegar, and then I did 4 drops of wild orange and 4 drops of lemon essential oil. So I won't make this one because you guys can see it's pretty full still, but this is an awesome natural glass cleaner to get away from that blue glass cleaner that's full of lovely ammonia and chemicals. So natural glass cleaner, all you need is lemon and wild orange, or you can do just one or the other. Yet again, play with the amounts, play with the ratios on the size of bottle you have. So that's a homemade glass cleaner. And then my bathroom cleaner that I use. So this is a really great bathroom cleaner for being antibacterial, disinfectant, cleansing, non-toxic. So I do essential oils in here, and then I also do add the On Guard concentrate, which is a great cleaner. So I add 2 tablespoons of the On Guard concentrate, and then I like to add my own essential oils. So tea tree oil is a really amazing cleaner. Like, it is the best stuff. So I'm going to add 6 drops of tea tree, because tea tree is really great for cleaning off areas. Oh, there's 7. That's okay. And I'm going to add a couple of drops of the On Guard. We already have the concentrate that we're going to add, but just a couple of drops is always a little extra kick. And then I'm going to add some lemon for the freshness. So we're going to do 5 drops of lemon in there. And then I do like to add just 1 drop of cinnamon. Cinnamon is a really great antibacterial oil. We're going to do 2 drops of cinnamon. And it's very, very spicy, so it cleans really, really well. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to add, we're going to rough ball our On Guard like I did with the other one. So let's say that's 1, and that's 2. And then all we're going to do is add water to this, and then it's ready to go as a bathroom cleaner. So that's it. So 6 drops tea tree, 2 drops of On Guard and 5 drops of lemon, 2 tablespoons of On Guard concentrate, and then just fill it up with water and give it a shake and you're ready to go. And like I said before, you can just play with the ratios, add more, add less, add different scents if you like different scents. There's lots of amazing blends you can find on Pinterest or find on other areas and other things. So I just personally love these oils, so that is what I made for them. So we've got our few different cleaners, you guys. So bathroom cleaner, kitchen cleaner, and then a glass cleaner as well. So it's super simple, super easy DIY. I will link all of the drops down below so you guys have the full list of what I put in each cleaner so that you have it for quick reference. But that is an easy, quick DIY for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. And be sure to definitely comment and let me know if you guys have any other cleaning tips that you guys like to use with essential oils. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!